Hey guys, welcome to the Android Editors. Vicky is back with his another interesting tutorial. We always want to get a maximum performance from your laptop or PC. So today we're gonna discuss about how to get a maximum performance of a laptop or PC, and it's really simple and very safe. There are few settings, simple settings in your power options. After completed this setting in, you will get maximum performance, and definitely it's work for with any Windows version like Windows XP, Vista 7, 8.1, and also Windows 10. And I'm using currently Windows 10. I already tested this setting in my PC and it's always work for me. And one thing guys, always remember, it's not a kind of overclocking. It's not overclocking, so that's why it's safe. Some people overclock their GPU and CPU. In case of PC, it's safe because PC have a very good cooling system, but in case of laptop it's harmful because it doesn't have any cooling system, so it can burn your processor chip and damage your laptop, decrease your laptop life. In my case, before this setting, some games like NFS Rivals, Batman Arkham 3, Dark Souls 3 are not running smoothly in my laptop. Even I have a very good configuration i7 processor, 5th generation, 2 GB graphics, AMD, and 8 GB RAM. Even those configuration, I haven't played these games smoothly, but after this idea I can play these games very smoothly. And it's very simple idea, it suddenly came in my mind and it's always worked for me. I don't know how it's worked, but I hope it's also worked for you. So let's start. mm, because before you start you have to go to your control panel. You can access control panel by searching in search box like control and panel. Just enter and there are many options. In this option there is a option called system and security. Just click on this and there are another many option, and there is one option called power option. Just click on power option. So there are so many options, and there is another option called create a power plan. You have to click there, and after clicking this kind of window open. So just click on high performance. You can give it to name, any name you want, and click it. After this there are another options: turn off display, put computer to sleep. You can set this option according to your backup because it doesn't affect your processor speeds of performance. So as next, and there is show here is my plan setting, my custom plan. Just click on change plan setting. Okay, this kind of window is open. Now click on change power setting. So sorry, change advanced power setting. So just click on this and a pop-up window is open, and its window is very important. There are some settings you have to set, and after that you are able to play some very high graphics game or increase your PC performance. So the first option is required password on a wake up. You can set it to according to you because it doesn't affect your performance. Hard disk, so it's important. So turn off hard disk after. You have to set it to maximum as possible. I set it to 2000 minutes. So you can set it to maximum as possible. And after that, Internet Explorer JavaScript timer frequency. So you can set it to maximum performance. Remember, maximum power saving, not maximum performance. So in both condition, like on battery plugged in. After that, desktop background setting. So there is another option called slideshow. So you can set it to according to you. It also doesn't affect your performance. After that, there are another setting called wireless adapter. So you can set it to maximum performance. So just set it to maximum performance. And after that, there is another option, sleep. You have to set it to according to you. It doesn't affect. And USB setting, it's important. So just go to this and enable in both the conditions, plug in on a battery. After that, Intel graphic setting. It may be AMD graphic setting if you have an AMD processor, but mine is Intel, so it's Intel graphic setting, and it's very very important. So you definitely have to set it to maximum performance in both the condition, on battery plugged in. After that, next option, power button and lid. So you can set it to according to you, or you can leave it to by default. So another one is PCI Express. So just go to this option and you have to off. So set it to off, and it will give you maximum performance. So after that, there is another setting, processor power management, and it is very important for you. So just go to this option. There are three options also. Let's go to and set it to minimum processor state, on battery 5%, plugged in 100%. Just set it to in both the conditions 100%, and it will give you 100% performance. And another, system cooling policy, definitely it's active, otherwise you will burn your processor chip. Okay, now another option is called maximum processor state. You have definitely set it to 100%. After that, another option called display. You have to set it to another according to you, it doesn't affect. And the another one is multimedia setting. So you have to set it to according to you, it doesn't affect. But the next option in this menu, when playing video, sorry. So on battery, optimize video quality, plugged in optimize video quality, sorry for this. And after that, there is another option, switchable dynamics graphics. Guys, it is very important. If you have a external graphic card like AMD or Nvidia, so you can use this setting to global setting, optimize power setting to max, plugged in maximize performance. After that, there is option battery, just remain by default, it doesn't affect. And the another setting is called ATI graphics power setting. So it's also safe, set it to maximum performance. And after that, you have to click on apply, OK, cancel, and just select this power plan, my custom power plan, and here we go. And now your laptop is configured for best performance without overclocking. It's definitely work for me, always work for me, and it's also work for you. And thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, share my video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.